Hello, hope you are well. Welcome back to my kitchen by Nana. If you're new here, I love sharing simple healthy recipes that support good nutrition and wellness. Today we are making a simple and soothing dish specially prepped for people managing ulcers. This recipe avoids common triggers and focuses on the ingredients that are gentle, healing, and full of flavor. Stomach ulcers can be painful and difficult to manage. Spicy, oily, and acidic foods often worsen the condition. First, fry the vegetables, but you could definitely eliminate the oil and just boil the vegetables. And I've also realized that there are some people that are affected by tomatoes while others aren't affected by them. Besides the tomatoes, I'm also going to add potatoes, pumpkin, carrots, and broccoli to the pan, and then I'm going to fry them shortly. These vegetables are rich in nutrients and minerals, and obviously they are very tasty. So just add some salt to the pan and then continue to fry shortly until the tomatoes are soft. Who said people with restricted diets have boring meals? You got it wrong. Look at this pan. Very colorful and of course full of nutrients. Add your clean pieces of fish to the pan. I had a whole fish, so I decided to cut it into different parts. Add it into the pan, mix with the vegetables, and then we are just going to add in some water and then let it boil together with the vegetables. If you're looking for easy to make healthy food recipes in the comfort of your home, don't look no further. This is the right place to be. Please subscribe and also don't forget to click the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload videos. And in case of any comments, please leave it down below in the comments section. For the ingredients that I have used in this specific recipe, I am going to write them down below in the description box. Let the fish simmer. Fish takes a very short time to cook, so we are going to let it cook with the vegetables because they also cook for a short time. And in 10 minutes, your fish will be ready. As you can see, it's ready. This is a fresh water body fish. Very tasty, very classy meal. Try it and let me know what you think about it. So I'm garnishing with some fresh coriander leaves. They're going to give us a very nice flavor. So that is it. Bye.